resetting the password on your computer provided you have a local account. And if this video has helped you, on my profile there is a link to the website. On the website you'll see social media support. There is the merch store, Cash App, PayPal, debit cards, and of course the logo for Patreon if you would like to join my Patreon account. All right, from here you're going to go to your login screen. Take note of your name because your name may not be the same name that's in the users list. I'll show you that when we get there. But here's what you do. You're going to hold down your left shift key. You're going to go down to the power button here, and you're going to click restart. This, and continue to hold the shift key down until your computer reboots and says, please wait. Once it says that, you're fine. But you got to keep holding it down because this is what triggers it to go into that mode. So, okay, please wait. So release the keyboard or the shift key. Once you get to this screen, if it is asking you for your password for your computer and you don't know your password, at this point there's nothing you can do. You can have maybe ask a friend or a professional to see if they can break the password for you, or if you're local to me, you can bring it to me and I can normally do it. If it's a local account, if it's a Microsoft account, that's a whole different situation. But if it's a local account, I do have a thumb drive that has a password breaker on it that I can use on local accounts to break a password. Anyways, from here, if you've gotten this far, this is where you want to be. You want to go into troubleshoot. You want to go into advanced options. You want to go into command prompt. Once you're here, the first thing you're going to do is type the command net space users. It's going to show you a list of all the users on this computer. Note that my computer says studio, but there is no studio listed. That's because studio in my particular case is actually the administrator account. And that may be the same for you. So if you don't see your username here, it may be administrator. So how do you change the password? Using the same command. So we're going to use net user username, and it has to be spelled correctly. Administrator. Next is the password you want to use. So I'm just going to do something simple for this particular purpose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit enter. Username couldn't be found because I probably typed it wrong. That's why spelling is important. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're successful, it will tell you that you're successful. Then you can close the window, continue to Windows 10 or Windows 11. It should take you back to the login screen. Here we are. Again, mine said studio on this login screen, but it was actually administrator. We're going to type in the password that we just put in, and that should hopefully let you in. And at that point, you should be good to go. Again, this only works for a local account on your Windows 10, Windows 11, and I think it also works on 7 and XP and stuff like that too. And if this video has helped you, on my profile there is a link to the website. On the website you'll see social media support. There is the merch store, Cash App, PayPal, debit cards, and of course the logo for Patreon if you would like to join my Patreon account.